everyone, I'm Yidi from JDT. Today I want to share with you a very short combination from the hand performance in voguing dance. So it is very simple, mostly it's about our hands touching the shoulder. To start with, you're gonna try to maintain your hands in blade shape the whole time. And then from here, you're gonna go touch back, touch front, touch front. Let's do that one more time. So make sure that you remain your lower arm parallel to the floor. So you go back, front. Nice. And then for the next one is similar. You go back. As you go back with your right hand, you actually want to go to the same side of your shoulder. And then you go front. Let's review it. So you go back, front, back, front. Remember to mirror my movement so that my right hand actually is your left hand. Yeah, so one more time. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Yeah, and then you open it. And notice that how I still keep the angle and the flatness of the hand here. Yeah, let's review it from the top. You go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6. It's all about your left hand. Yeah, you open it to the back, 6. Now you move both hands together, one in front, one in the back, 7, and then you go to the other side, 8. Good job. Let's do it from the top, very slow. You go back, front, back, front, open to the back, one front, one back, and the other side. Yeah, so really make sure that you maintain the 90-degree angle all the time. Let's try to do it in a faster tempo. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! So let's move on from here. 7, 8. You are going to go, your right hand touch the right shoulder, and then your left hand go just kind of like touch the side of your body. Yeah, so you go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so the key here is that you want to remain, you want to pull your elbows in towards the midline of your body, so you don't look like this. So make sure that everything is on center. Yeah, so you go 1, 2, 3. Press your right hand 4. That your palms is facing outside your right side, and then make sure to maintain the frame here. Yeah, so let's review it. You are, I think you're here, right? And then the second 8 counts start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, for 5 you are gonna change the wrist here. You also want to change the other wrist. Yeah, 5, 6. Gather your right hand to your left hand, 6, and then you're gonna go 7. And notice that how I want to make a straight line from here to the other hand. 7. This is 8. That would be the end of our combination today. So let's review it from the second 8 counts. You're gonna go 1, touch the shoulder and the side of the body. 2 for 3 times. 3, press 4. Maintain the 90-degree and change the wrist. 5, gather together. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now let's do it very slow from the very top. Yeah, 7, 8. You go back, front, back, front, open to the back, right side, left side. Now you go touch the shoulder and the side of the body for 3 times. 3, press 4, change wrist. 5, together 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's see if we could do it faster, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try to do it with music. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. fun learning this, and please feel free to post your combination online, and please remember to tag JDT.